printers already because they're increasingly changing how all kinds of things are made. Some are calling it a real industrial revolution. WMBD's Ben Dwyer shows us how the technology is playing right here in Peoria.
It may not look like much, but this unassuming box is rapidly changing the very way products are made. And here at Bradley University, they're learning how it works.
We want a student to understand to be a manufacturing engineer, you need to understand constantly improvement with different type of manufacturing processes.
Unlike these other tooling machines nearby, which operate in the traditional manner by cutting material away, a 3D printer makes things by slowly depositing material layer by layer from the ground up, all the while following computer commands that automatically map out programmed coordinates.
In this sense, this is completely revolutionary.
And because the work initially starts at the computer screen, where things are easily manipulated, the technology has in effect liberated design. If you can think of it, a 3D printer can probably make it. Call it manufacturing by mouse click.
And that's really where the whole fun of this project comes into play. If you have an idea in your mind, this printer can bring that design to life in a matter of hours or even minutes.
So an idea becomes reality.
Exactly.
In recent years, their popularity has exploded, and smaller and more affordable models have put them in the hands of ordinary people.
For example, you have automobile and you want to fix something, you know the dimension, you know, geometry, you can make it and then put it on, fix your home.
And just what are people making? Just let your imagination go wild. Everything from glasses to guitars to even guns. And Big Yellow is utilizing the technology too. At Caterpillar, 3D printers are an invaluable tool for the company's research and development.
That's really the area where I think prototyping makes a lot of sense, because you have the ability to quickly print that concept, quickly manufacture, turn around that concept without having to spend a lot of time and money in tooling and other things. So we have the ability to visualize models on a screen, but it turns out that actually holding the part in your hand adds, I'd say, a new dimension to how engineers understand.
Caterpillar plants across the entire Midwest use this one-of-a-kind 3D printing lab at the Mossville Tech Center to help create and test new parts.
And so if you look around here, you'll see all kinds of prototypes, from things that go on our engines to things that go on a large wheel loader to things that go on a mining truck. One of our engineers came up with a complex part for us to actually push this machine to see what it can actually do.
And even though they were able to create this CAT engine entirely to scale, it's for display purposes only. For the raw materials commonly used in 3D printers, like plastic, ceramic, and even light metals, are fine for many applications, but aren't strong enough to actually be used in heavy earth-moving equipment. So for now, Caterpillar will continue to just make prototypes, but look for innovations down the line.
There's a lot of interest, I think, generally in the industry in terms of trying to use 3D printing for a lot of production applications. So we believe the push is coming for the industry to respond and develop materials that are more capable.
Meanwhile, countless other companies are eagerly embracing the technology. For example, Shapeways will fabricate your custom designs and send them back to you in the mail. And Contour Crafting in California has developed a process constructing entire houses at a time. So it's no surprise that tomorrow's engineers want to be a part of it all.
It's fast, it's efficient, and it's the next generation of engineering.
Ben Dwyer, WMBD 31 News.
And join us tomorrow for Ben Dwyer's second report on how the innovative use of 3D printers in medicine has put Peoria on the map. Well, a new